Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. I have laid down my paint and today I'm using Phthalo Greeen. I'll run through my paints quickly. So I have Phthalo Greeen, which is Derivan, and to it I've added a little bit of water just because it was a little bit too dark. I'm using Vermilion, lemon yellow, and Australian leaf green. This green is very green, so I have also added a touch of white, and in the orange, the Vermilion, I've added a tiny bit of this beautiful shimmery mica powder. So I'm not sure if you can actually see the mica. Anyway, it is shimmery and beautiful. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to just lay down some white first, and let's see, I think I'm going to go this way like this. And then I'll go in with some yellow. So this is the lemon yellow. And I'm just going to put a bit there on top. And then this beautiful Australian leaf green. Now that stuff actually looks pretty powerful. These Derivan paints are absolutely amazing. They are so thick. So all my paints are mixed. 1 part paint to 1 part of water to 2 parts of Floetrol. Now I can see all sorts of nice things happening there already. I'm going to add a bit of silver, and then I'm going to go in with this beautiful orange. That's the Vermilion orange, and in my experience this Vermilion orange is absolutely amazing stuff. Okay, let's see. Is that enough paint, guys? What do you think? So I might just blow it twice, I'm not sure yet. I'll have a look after the first blow. So let's do this. Right, so that is really pretty. I'm just going to give this a torch. I didn't torch it after the first time, and there is no silicone in my paint at all. That's looking really pretty. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blow this a little bit this way. Let's see. Hopefully I don't get my hair and everything in it. Whoops. There goes the chain and everything else. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to blow, just torch that a little bit. So, I'll scrape off my sides and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, so this turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm actually really impressed with this green, and well, the color scheme actually I think is really good. Look at that. I absolutely love that section. Really came out very pretty. I'm only a little sorry that I didn't do a dip ditch, whatever it's called, the two. I think that is so pretty. Excuse the studio light guys, it's the winter here, so it is pretty dark, so I'll try and work around it. Those colours are amazing. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.